Gladstone, this is your WLHS News Report, reporting to you live from the Lebanon High School office. Reminder, ESOL tutoring is in N231 Monday through Friday from 3:15 to 4:15, and the Harvard Cafe Tutoring Center is open in the cafeteria Monday through Thursday from 3:15 to 4:30 p.m.
Attention students, the annual spring trip to New York City is scheduled for April 24, 2013. The cost for the trip is $50. Also available are tickets to the Broadway show Phantom of the Opera for an additional $50. If you are interested in joining the fun, please see Mr. Seifert, Mrs. Haytos, Ms. Trey, or Ms. Shucker for permission slips.
Attention students interested in applying to the CTC next year. Applications are available in the LHS Counseling Office and must be completed and returned to the Counseling Office by Thursday, February 28th. And there will be a girls volleyball open gym today from 4 to 5:30 at the middle school. Please see Mrs. O'Bile in L105 if you have any questions.
Attention seniors, if you are interested in participating in the senior auction, please see Mrs. Johnston. By March 1st, you can sign up to be raffled or auctioned. Any questions, please see Mrs. J. The annual student-faculty basketball game will be held Thursday night, March 7th, with the girls playing first at 6 p.m. with the boys game following.
The new and improved school store will be opening soon. FBLA members interested in working at the school store lunch period should see Mrs. Haytos in N228. We are currently planning our grand reopening and establishing the work schedule. This concludes your afternoon announcements. I'm Melina Gladstone.
And I'm Valerie Jordan. Have a great day.